Hi everybody, Shane Carlisle, Smart Money for Eleanor Trade House on the 4th of the 2nd at 1 o'clock in the afternoon. So I'm going to start building the Discord up from the ground up. Beginners, as they come in, I show them how to set everything up for what we look for, how we get to the entries we get to, and etc. etc. But to know all that, you need to know the basics. So you need to know what programs we use, what things are, this, that, and the other. So it's just a complete breakdown, really. Well, not a complete breakdown, but a very simple breakdown of what you need to get going on looking for what we look for. So you'll want to come to your search, TradingView, look for this, tradingview.com. It's all free. Then this will open this up. You won't have any of this, and this will look a little bit different. But all told, it's what you're looking at. This is, don't worry about what's down here just yet. We're going to get you set up with what we use. So basically, you just first want to just have a quick look. That moves your price up and down, so it gives you a better view of what's going on inside the price. This one moves left to right, so it gives you more information. Okay, this is what currency you're trading against, which is on the screen. And with it being weekend, the only thing that moves is the crypto market. So we've got Bitcoin up for today. Okay, and then these are your time frames. So each one of these will represent one candle. So a 1 minute chart will, each candle will represent 1 minute of trading for that day. Okay, along the bottom, it gives you your time, times, dates, everything along the bottom, and that gives you a price of where it's sat at now. So at the moment, it's currently sat at 23,000, nearly £500 a coin. But you don't need to worry about any of that. The main thing is getting TradingView up, create an account with TradingView. It's all free. Everything on here that we use, that we draw on here, is free. And we pattern trade, basically. The banks leave patterns and we follow the patterns. They've had a breakout, they came back, they took the orders back, they carried on. So that's quick, simple terms. We wait for break market and then we have confirmations when it hits the area. But again, clicking here, if you star them, they'll stay up here because you'll probably only have one at the moment. But if you click your little sidebar, come down, you can click them and it'll star them. If you're just looking to come in, I'd have a couple of hires so you can get the trend of the market. I like the 4 hour and the 1 hour because you can find a nice candle. And then I like to go down to the 15 and 5 for my entries. So if you want to sort of follow what we do, they're prime time zones. Okay, we start there and then we break it down and break it down and break it down, find an entry, find a take profit and let it happen. And then these, okay, now let's get a bit of order to them. These are all the things I use to draw on here with, and you'll find these all down here. Now at this point you could possibly pause it or take a picture, and what I'll do, if I just go across it slowly, you'll be able to pause the video, and find them down the side. I'm not going to go through mad what they all are at the moment because that's going to fill your head with so much. I just want you to get set up. That's the main thing. So if you get all these sort of put up, these are all the drawing tools and the working out tools that I use to get the positions. So I use the horizontal ray because it starts there and shows me where I need to be looking. These here give me my risk to reward on the positions, whether I'm buying or selling. A long position is buying, a short position is selling. So we've got your times. They're all starred, ready to go. We've got your taskbar, good, ready to go. Okay, so you're priming yourself with the tools you need to find the entries. And then these are the 4 pairs that me and my other trader look at over the course of the week. I look at the CAD Chief and the GU. He looks at the US Chief and the Australian dollar, US dollar. So we're homing in on a couple of pairs so we can understand them a lot more when they throw the moves out, what day. Like here, look, you had the, just to show you a quick example, the break of market, the return back to the area, the highs covered, drop to the lows. You know, you took 9% from seeing the market break. But again, this is just a quick setup video, not a case of get you looking. The next video I create will be, right, this is where, these are the confirmations we look for, these are the patterns we look for. But I just literally want, from this video, taskbar setup, time setup, you can get your currency pairs set up, and then obviously I'll run you through. If you go to your, right click on the screen, go to your settings at the bottom, okay, and then you can have a play around. I'd keep your candles green and red so you know buying and selling, and I'd put your wicks black because wicks are very important. You know, we try and trade in the area where we get the wick entries, so you've no drawdown. So they're very, very important. Just as important as these are, but they're very important for very tight entries on the extreme price lines. So yeah, we've gone across there. We've got them. We've got them. Now, these two here, these will help you. This top one will help you while you're learning. Now, you go into this indicators here, and you type Smart Money Concepts and look for the one by Lux Algo. So you type Smart Money Concepts. Okay, and then I've already got it on, but there, the Lux Algo. Okay, and I won't go too deep into it, but everything you see there is what I look for in a move. You know, the market's had a change of character, and I'll explain all this as we go, but I just want you to get set up. So the Lux Algo Smart Money Concept and the Lux Algo Sessions. Now, this is powerful, this one, because this tells me when Tokyo finished, London and Tokyo was together. So the bank, I trade with the banks, and I only want to know when the banks are in play. See how we've had the volume, London, New York, then New York played out for the day. So that's key to looking in the areas that we want to trade. So you've gone into indicators. You could possibly just type Lux Algo, and it'll bring all of their things up. Let's just have a look, see if that works. Lux Algo. Oh, they've got premium stuff as well. Look at that. Ooh, nice. But yeah, you want the Lux Algo Sessions Smart Money, and that'll give you the sessions and all the stuff. I know it looks a bit busy now, but when you get obviously down into the lowers where we're looking for entry, it you know, you've got your change of character, you break a structure, you break a structure, you break a structure. It's just broke structure now. That trade there went for 11%, signature pattern, but I won't go into that. This is a setup. So we've got your taskbar, we've got your currency pairs, we've got your times, and we've got your indicators. So that is pretty much it for this video, guys. I want to keep it short, sweet, and just keep everything interested. Okay, but just to finish the video off, put this in the Discord before. Previous lows, previous highs there. You know, it went for 2%, straight in and out, done. Then it has just finished on 11% because we had an accumulation. They broke out, released that candle, took off. You know, once your eyes are trained and you see these things, away you go. But for now, currencies, taskbar, times, you're all in indicators that tell you the session times and what's happening with the candle patterns. So yeah, happy days, guys. I hope this helps you get set up. Again, tradingview.com, create an account, go into, it'll say products, chart plus, it'll bring a chart up. And at that point, then you're here. You can sort your currency pairs out by just delete, push the cross, get rid of everything that's there, add watch list, and just add all these. Just type CAD Chief, US Chief, then they'll all appear there. So that'll be the same. That'll be the same. You'll have them there, and you'll have the time frames so we can do the trades. Okay. Absolutely blessed, guys. Speak to you on the next one. Bye for now.